Hello, my name is Alistair Trail and I am a Principal Food and Enterprise Consultant for SEC Consulting, which is the commercial arm of SRUC. Today we are at our Elmwood campus, which is in Cooper, Fife, where we collaborate with SRUC development chefs to work with food and drink businesses to create new innovative food products.
So my name is Kyla Orr. I'm one of the co-founders of KelpCrofting, which is a seaweed farming business based off the Isle of Skye, and I'm also a marine scientist. And KelpCrofting, as a business, cultivates seaweed on ropes held at sea. So that's the long brown kelps, and we grow them in a similar way to how you grow mussels. And our main focus is to cultivate seaweed for food products. We decided to work with SRUC because we don't really have any in-house expertise on food production or any know-how basically on how to make a tasty product. And I attended a workshop that was hosted by SRUC on some of the projects they have done, and thought, wow, we could really do with working with them to push our business forward in terms of what we can produce and sell. I found working with SRUC to be an absolute pleasure. It's been really, really easy. When I first approached them, I wanted to find out if we could get some funding to assist with the product development. They straight away helped us identify a grant that might be suitable. Alistair led me through the whole application process so that it was completely pain-free, which is often not the case with grants. And we were awarded the funding relatively quickly, and within a month or two the project started, so that was great. And have a really good working relationship with the chef who's developing the product for us. They're very responsive to our comments, and we've been incredibly excited and satisfied by what has come out of it. So the product that we asked SRUC to help us develop was a seaweed salad, or it's more like a seaweed tapas actually. And it's basically chopped kelp in a pickle dressing, and you can eat it as is, or mix it with, for example, risottos or stir fries as a plant-based or vegan alternative to seafood. And the aim was to produce a healthy alternative to the current imports from Asia, which are filled with preservatives and colorants and stabilizers, and something that UK consumers would identify with and be able to eat straight away out the bag. All going well, we're really hoping to get our product to market later this summer. So the way seaweed cultivation works is it's very seasonal. So we seeded our lines with seaweed in October last year. We harvest in May, and then from May onward we're looking to start producing our seaweed salads and actually getting it out to most likely food service and retail markets. Lots of future plans for KelpCrofting. It's identifying what we can, the bite-sized pieces that we can tick off. Once the initial seaweed salad is launched, we'd like to try and develop a couple of other dressings, so to broaden the scope for that product. And we're also looking into developing a dried seaweed product range, but that's not our focus right now. We really want to focus on fresh, ready-for-use seaweed products. I'd say the main benefits of working with SRUC is bringing skills and expertise to a business that they currently don't have. So I very, very quickly hit major hurdles in terms of recipe development when I was trying to work in my own kitchen and just didn't have the time. So it's a very diverse team, very knowledgeable. Once this project is finished, they will be able to signpost us to contacts to move it forward, which has been fantastic. They've got a lot of contacts and connections in the food industry, from food safety testing to product developers to manufacturing, and that signposting is going to be really valuable.
So if you're interested in collaborating with SRUC, the best thing to do is to actually get in contact with myself. You can get in contact through my email address, which is alistair.trail@sec.co.uk, or you can just go into the SRUC webpage.